Get ready for a magical adventure with Princess Elina and her friends on a rainy day in Rosewood. Dark clouds gather, but Alina's smile brightens the kingdom. She calls her besties Princess Maya and Princess Noor for a day of fun. Their adorable cats join in Snowbell, Pumpkin, and Luna. Dressed in colorful raincoats, the princesses splash in puddles while their feline friends frolic. They sail paper boats, draw chalk rainbows, and share giggles under a big umbrella. But wait, a shivering bird needs help. Our kind-hearted heroines save the day, showing that true friendship means caring for all. As the sun peeks out, a stunning rainbow appears. The grateful bird chirps thanks, and the princesses learn that rainy days are perfect for creating joyful memories with friends. Remember, happiness isn't about things, it's about sharing love, laughter, and kindness.